Experiencing a black screen or no audio on your Mahindra XUV 3XO's infotainment system? You're not alone. Many users have reported these issues, often due to software glitches. First, try a soft reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, ensure your system is updated to the latest version, 2.1.4 or later, via the vehicle's settings or Mahindra's app. These OTA updates contain fixes for boot process optimization and firmware stability. If problems persist, especially in early 2024 models, visit an authorized Mahindra service center for a free diagnostic reset. Remember to back up your data before any reset to avoid losing saved playlists and settings. If soft resets and updates don't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Be aware, this may cause data loss. For deeper troubleshooting, use diagnostic tools like Mahindra's Service Tool or the Torque Pro app to scan for error codes such as P0600. Mahindra is working on AI-driven diagnostics and cloud-based fixes through partnerships with Qualcomm. Expect predictive maintenance in future updates. To prevent issues, regularly check for over-the-air updates and avoid using the system in extreme temperatures, which can affect hardware. If problems continue, contact Mahindra support for assistance or request module replacement if your vehicle is under recall.